Should you buy the Pixel 7 or just wait for the Pixel 7a? Hello and welcome to this new video. The Google Pixel 7 is still a great smartphone with the best value for money. But let me explain how the Pixel 7a could overshadow it. We're going to compare them on 4 aspects: screen quality, photo configuration, performance level and battery life. Let's start with screen quality. The Pixel 7a will feature a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, Full HD Plus resolution and a maximum brightness of 900 nits. As for the Pixel 7, it has a 6.3-inch OLED screen with also a 90Hz refresh rate, a maximum brightness of 1400 nits. The screen of the Pixel 7 is also in Full HD Plus and is compatible with HDR10 Plus technology. The differences are in the screen size and brightness. The Pixel 7a has a 6.1-inch screen with a maximum brightness of 900 nits, while the Pixel 7 has a 6.3-inch screen with a brightness of 1400 nits. The Pixel 7's compatibility with HDR10 Plus technology and its higher brightness ensures excellent readability even in bright sunlight. In conclusion, the screen quality is very good on both models, but the choice will be made according to your preferences between screen size and brightness. Now let's tackle the photo configuration of these two smartphones. The Pixel 7a comes with a rear camera module, consisting of a 64-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle. It will probably benefit from many of the advanced features we already have on the Pixel 7, and on the photo processing aspect, Google has already proven itself. The Pixel 7 is equipped with a main sensor of 50 megapixels and an ultra-wide angle of 12 megapixels. Both smartphones are capable of shooting in 4K with good video stabilization. On the front, the Pixel 7 has a 10.8 megapixel selfie sensor that offers quite satisfactory results. The Pixel 7a has a front camera of 8 megapixels. In terms of performance, one has nothing to envy the other because both smartphones are equipped with the same Google Tensor G2 chip, which promises better performance than the previous generation thanks to the optimal use of AI. The Tensor G2 chip in the Pixel 7 is paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of storage, while that in the Pixel 7a is paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Both Android 13-powered smartphones offer a pleasant and customizable user experience. They are also compatible with 5G, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. In conclusion, performance is very good on both models, but the Pixel 7 stands out thanks to its more generous memory. As for battery life, the Pixel 7a has a 4500 mAh battery compared to 4355 mAh for the Pixel 7. They therefore offer a similar autonomy that can reach a day and a half in moderate use. The Pixel 7 offers a fast charge of 20 watts against 18 watts for the Pixel 7a. Both are compatible with wireless charging with a power of 20 watts for the Pixel 7 against 5 watts for the Pixel 7a. We are now at the end of this short video and I hope to have helped you to decide on one of these two smartphones. Pixel 7 or Pixel 7a? Let's debate in comments.